What up, world? It's your homie Mag 357 Guns, and if you read the title, I got some eBay pickups, and I really don't even know what I got just yet. I mean, I do know what I got because I got it from eBay, of course. But let's do an unboxing. This is in a bag, so let's do an unbagging. They all Jordans, okay? All Jordans. I believe they're all size 14. So I got 9 pairs, but I only got 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 here today. So let's check them out. And no, they're not going to be new. They're going to be in used condition. So first one out the bag rather, is the Jordan 30, and it looks like it has a tear in it. I'm not really sure. Is that a tear? I would think it's a tear. That's okay though. I mean, but anyway, you got your Jordan 30. Okay, I don't know what the hell that is. I'm thinking that this is a tear in it. Actually, it's not. Something is attached itself to it, so yeah. And I got it off. Okay, so Jordan 30, they need to be cleaned and disinfected. He put something in the toe cap, but he should have put it all the way down. It has a reflective Jordan. You know what the Jordan 30 look like here. Ain't nothing fake about what I'm getting. I've checked it plenty of times and made sure that I'm getting the right stuff. So there's a Jordan 30. Here's the other one. Make this as fast as possible. Okay, Jordan 30 again. Holographic toe. It looks like, on this one, everything's looking good on this one. Damn, I hate whatever it was got on here because it kind of ripped the fabric. Not like a hole, but it did knock something up. I probably can get some something and lay that down and keep it down, because I'm gonna do some cleaning on them and get them looking real good. So okay, here's box number 2. Box number 2. I don't know how many minutes I got left. But I'll just make it as fast as I possibly can. We'll get these 2 in and we'll do the next 2 on another video or something. Whatever we need to do. So all of it is priority mail. God damn, glue. Priority mail. Bingo. All right. Okay. So real quick, Jordan 6 rings. Okay. Jordan 6 rings. Six rings. We're checking them out. They're used, but they're not toe up, you know what I'm saying? So we got the 6 rings on deck. And that's your homie Mag's first 2. So y'all holler at me. I'm gonna hook you up with another 2 in a minute. 1.